Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that confused me a lot when I was looking to buy a lawnmower, Toro versus Honda. If you've ever searched for a good mower, you've probably seen these two names come up again and again. So I decided to dig deep, compare them properly, and in this video, I'll walk you through everything I found in a simple, real talk way. I'll first break down Toro completely, then Honda, and at the end, I'll tell you which one I would personally choose and why. So first, let me start with Toro. When I looked into Toro mowers, the first thing that stood out to me was how user-friendly they are. These machines are clearly designed for everyday homeowners. They're lightweight, easy to push, and super convenient, especially if your yard isn't huge. I felt like Toro really focuses on making mowing less of a chore. Another big thing is the price. Toro mowers are generally more budget-friendly compared to Honda. So if you're someone who doesn't want to spend too much but still wants something reliable, Toro makes a lot of sense. Performance-wise, I'd say they're perfect for small to medium lawns. They handle regular grass easily, but when it comes to really thick or overgrown areas, you might feel the limitation. One feature I actually found pretty cool is Toro's personal pace system. Basically, the mower adjusts to your walking speed, which makes the whole experience feel natural. You don't feel like you're fighting the machine, it kind of moves with you. Also, since Toro keeps things relatively simple, maintenance is easier and less intimidating. But yeah, to be honest, it's not the most powerful option out there. If you need something heavy duty, Toro might not fully satisfy you. Now, let's talk about Honda. When I started looking into Honda mowers, the first word that came to my mind was premium. These are built for people who want performance and durability above everything else. Honda mowers come with really powerful engines. So if you have thick grass, uneven terrain, or a larger yard, this is where Honda really shines. The cutting quality is also on another level. Many models use a dual blade system, which gives a cleaner, more precise cut. You can actually see the difference in how neat the lawn looks afterward. Another thing I noticed is the number of advanced features. Honda packs in a lot. Things like blade stop systems, cruise control style handling, and 4-in-1 functionality where you can mulch, bag, discharge, or shred. It feels like a complete package. The build quality is also impressive. These machines feel solid and are made to last for years. So if you're thinking long term, Honda definitely gives you that peace of mind. Plus, their warranty and support are generally considered better. Of course, all of this comes with a trade-off. Honda mowers are more expensive and they're also heavier, so they're not as easy to maneuver, especially if you're just looking for something quick and simple. So now the big question, which one would I choose? Honestly, it really depends on your situation. If you have a smaller lawn, you're on a budget, and you just want something simple and easy to use, I would definitely go with Toro. It gets the job done without overcomplicating things. But if you have a bigger yard, tougher grass, and you want something powerful that will last for years, then Honda is clearly the better investment. Personally, if I had to pick one for long-term, serious use, I'd go with Honda because of the performance and durability. But for casual, everyday mowing, Toro is honestly more than enough. So yeah, that's my full breakdown of Toro versus Honda mowers. Let me know in the comments, which one would you choose? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest comparisons like this. I'll see you in the next one.